In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer Bitcoin money to PayPal. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have currency available from selling Bitcoin, you can transfer it into PayPal. Your options are going to depend on what platform you used to sell your Bitcoin. Some platforms, for example Coinbase, will allow you to sell Bitcoin directly on the platform. So if you go over to the Coinbase website or the mobile app, you will find the options to sell your Bitcoin directly from your account, and you will receive the money in there as well. And they actually give you the option to transfer that money directly into PayPal. So you don't have to do this process through their website or add your account here. You simply go to Coinbase, and once you have the currency available, you will have the withdraw option, and PayPal is going to be among them. If you still have your Bitcoin available, then you will have to sell it for a standard currency. So you can't just transfer your Bitcoin directly to PayPal. You have to sell your Bitcoin first for a traditional currency such as US dollars, and after you are done selling it, then you go over to your PayPal wallet, choose the option to link a card or bank, and you link your bank account. So if you still have your Bitcoin, you must find a way to sell it. Like I said before, some platforms will allow you to sell your Bitcoin directly within them, while others will have you withdraw your Bitcoin and sell them elsewhere. And after it is sold, then you transfer the money into a bank account and link the bank account to PayPal. After you do all of this, you will be able to receive the money from selling that Bitcoin inside of PayPal. As I've said before, you must first convert it into a traditional currency, and only afterwards can you transfer it into PayPal. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer Bitcoin money to PayPal account. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.